Today we're going to do a floral braided bun. So it's very simple and yet classy, and there is no age bar. You can just do it to a baby girl, and also you can do that to a person who's 80-year-old party. But then still, yeah, they'll just look glammed and dressed up and all set. And I'll just give you a brush up on what you want. You need a comb, all right? Then you need a donut bun, which is necessary, and then a rubber band, a normal rubber band, and then you need a U-pin and a bobby pin, all small size. And then of course, if you have something like this, grab that. You can just decorate the hairstyle however you want. So today I'm going to do the back hairstyle. So we're not going to concentrate more on the front. So I'm going to put everything at the back. So first step is put a ponytail. Make sure you should have taken knot of the hair and put a ponytail. Comb neatly, and then the ponytail should be 1 inch above the neckline. It should be just one half a finger. Okay, not so high, not so low. You need to have a little bit of gap there. And then we're going to do a ponytail here with a rubber band like this, and not the bigger rubber band which is pink, black, pink, other colors, no, that will be visible. So make sure you use a rubber band which is in the color of the hair. So place a rubber band. So the hair pony is set. Now I want you all to take a donut and then put it right there above the rubber band. All right. It should look like this. And then take out your U-pins. It shouldn't have those small balls. Alright, it should be like this, sharp. Okay, if it has those balls in the beginning, it won't be sharp enough to pin in. So you're going to put it directly like this, straight, vertically inside. On one side, you have to hold this donut. On the other side, you're going to drag it to the hair scalp and going to place it like this. Make sure it is firm, okay? Because this is the base for the bun. And here, put it all over where you feel whether it matches. Okay, you should not hold someone's face like this, since it is a doll, so I'm having the leverage to do that. Yes. Now this will be the other one. All set. Now my donut is firm. So make sure your donut is firm, so it doesn't move here or there. Alright, because this is going to be your base. And now let's start with I guess most of you all know how to do a normal braid, right? 3-strand braid. Okay, we're just going to do the same. All right, so only one important point is that I'm going to take a part. Just take a random part from this. We're going to take a random part here, there, wherever you want, and then we're going to make that plate and floral petals. So for this, a person who's having very thick hair, probably they'll get 8 divisions, 8 parts like this. If a person is having thinnest, then it may be 6 or lesser than that. So you can plan your bun accordingly. Alright. So first I'm taking this on the right side. And then I'm going to start plating. So while plating, you have to make sure you plait it very tight. It should be tight. It should not be loose. When you're plating it loose, then your petals may not look, visible. So make sure I'm dividing it now. I'm dividing the subdivisions and I'm making it 3 and starting my plate. Take a 3 division and start plating. So just plait 4 strands and then wait. I'll teach you how to pull it out. Okay. Now I've started this. Put it tight. Okay. Make sure it is tight. And then again braiding and tightening it. Okay. Braiding and tighten. So now I've made for about like 4 braids like this. Now we are going to pull out. We are going to make those petals. For flowers, we need those petals. No, we are going to make that. How to make that? Just pull out this, the one which is on the left side, like an arch. It should come out like an arch. Okay. Use your 2 fingers, just these 2 fingers, and you pull out like this by holding the end. All right. Slowly. Slowly. You will get something like this. All right. We're giving a density in a way that it looks like a petal. Okay. Now, again, I'm continuing with the braid very tight. Now, again, I'm starting off with the braid till the end. All right. Tight, tight, tight. Tighten it as much as possible. Now, again, I'm going to repeat the same procedure. So you should get something like this, an arch, small arch. The petals are ready, okay? It should look something like this, and it can be more also. It depends upon your wish. It can be even more height. Okay? And now the rolling part is really important. You have to make a note on how to roll these to make like a flower. The ends, you have these ends. No, I don't have hair here, so I did not plait here. Anyways, it's going to go inside. So what you're going to do is roll the end, hold the whole hair together, and then roll it on your index finger like this. You will make a small circle. Do you get that? Do you see? Make it as small as possible, but by just pulling it. And then now you're going to roll it like this. Grab every strand. Do not leave any strands out. You're going to roll it slowly, and you're going to use this as a base. Okay, this is your base for your flower. And now, while doing this, now can you see that the petals are growing, 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 and yes, we've got it. Now what you're going to do is take a U-pin like this, which is very strong and firm. Okay, take a U-pin, put it straight inside. Okay, in one end should hold the base of the petal, and one end it should go directly into the donut. All right, that's how it stays. So I'm going to grab this here, one on the center and other on the donut. That's it. We just placed it. Cool. And then if you have a spray, please spray it to give a good neat finish. If at all, it's okay. It'll look good. Now, as of now, you can just do it as it is. But then later on, when you wanted to invest in a good hairspray, you can use that. You just make it like firm and good, right? Grab a bobby pin like this, okay? Place this in a vertical way, like how I said right now, okay? Open it. Same thing, one in the hair, another in the donut, and then you're going to place it like this. All right, now we got this. Okay, if you have a spray, use it. Now I'm just spraying out, and I'm going to finish this. Okay. Bun, flower is done. Again, I'm going to take another strand which is nearby this one, and the amount can be like this, not so thick, not so thin, in a medium way. Okay, now we have did this side, the rose petals, wherever we see a flower in a bunch, every flower will not look the same. It doesn't go with the same direction. It differs, right? Those petals, one goes on the right side, one goes on the left side. It's just a mixture of like many petals here and there. So what you're going to do, you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to follow the same thing. Now you did this side, okay? The petals where you pulled out the petals from the left. Now you're going to pull out the petals from the right. So for that, first you need to what? You have to plait it. Do the same. We're going to do the same process all over the hair, to create that floral print. All right, now we've done two different directions, right? The same way, now I'm going to grab this side. We did that side, now I'm going to just do this like this, like one in the right and then in the left. And then next you're going to grab a right hair, okay, like that. So now this time I'm grabbing a hair. Your ultimate goal is to cover this donut one, all right? Because if this donut is seen, it won't be looking nice, no? So we are going to cover it by using those petals and stuff. And if we see something like here, then we can put some decoration items there so that it just gets covered, all right? So if you are preferring for yourself, for the personal use, buy donut which is in your hair color. You have a lot of hair color. I mean, you find donuts in different hair color. I mean, colors. Okay, like burgundy, brown, black. Every color is there available. So grab something which suits your hair color. All right. So now I'm repeating the same. So now you're done with 3 flowers, and you're going to cover this side now. All right. So now we've done the first layer, right? And then we can just make 1, 2 here and then 1 center. All done. Okay. Now spraying is very important. So now this side we did it. So now we're going to do the other side. Okay. So yes, we have done this side. Now we can divide this into 2, just 2. Why? 1 we need in the center, because everything goes like this. This place looks little scanty, right? So we are going to divide the rest of the hair into just 2 to make it 1 here. We just have this space, right? Left. So we're going to use it 1 here and 1 at the center. So the rest will be divided into equal halves like this. All right? Got it? Leave it this side because this will be little disturbing. So leave it this side and start plaiting from this side. Okay? Okay, we are done with this side. Now I think this side the donut is covered. Only here it is not covered. Then maybe you can cover it with the flowers. We can do that with the flower. Okay? Final part. All right. We have come to the center part now. Pull it left. Pull it left, pull it left. Make sure you don't disturb the other guy because we're going to put it here, right in the center. Okay? Okay? Now the rest of the hairs can be sprayed and can just all right.